How to use your InstaCuppa Travel Milk Frother with rechargeable battery. With detachable stainless steel whisk, our milk frother fits perfectly into your modern kitchen or office desk. Froth your milk, coffee and any drinks you can imagine within 15 to 20 seconds. On top of portability, the one-button push start, compact design and easy grip features adds up style and sophistication. It can turn your regular milk to a bubbly one and your regular coffee to barista-style drink. And since the whisk part is of premium-grade stainless steel made, this is safe to use with both hot and cold beverages. You can even whisk your protein drink and make a protein shake in an instant. This travel frother is rechargeable and comes with USB cable, so you don't have to worry about buying batteries. And since it fits perfectly in your travel bag, go ahead and impress your friends and family with your new magic wand.